What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rodrigo Lima. I show you how I do bonsai and to get you more inspired and more to get to know this beautiful art form. Today I have a new tree here on the channel, this Juniper that I'm going to wire again. The first time that I wired this tree was already more than 2 years ago, I think almost 3 years now, and I'm going to come back and put the wire again. This tree put a lot of growth this year. So the funny thing, when you come back to the work that you did a few years later and you grow as a bonsai practitioner, you see a lot of things that you will do different, so you will correct and evolve the project every time. So for example, here on the back I have this back branch that is coming up and then down. Very big branch, a bit weird. It's a very awkward position here, so actually you want to get rid of this branch. And but we also need a lot of back branch, so we'll probably keep this for now, but in the future we can have something like this that has a better position. I'll put this back here, let it grow to fill the space here. And also the first branch we have to try to correct because it has like this awkward bow on it. So what I will do, I will pull it to the back, and with a more acute angle I can try to correct this, and this way I can go up on the tree and then work all the way until the apex. Another flaw that I have on this tree is that this straight section over here, and then we have like this crazy part that goes, have this a lot of movement that I put in 3 years ago. So what we can do is to hide with the foliage this part that goes very straight and create maybe more deadwood in the future. But for now I wouldn't touch the deadwood. I will just wire all the foliage and put it nice in place so that it can rest for the winter, and then next year you can make some more shoddy deadwood work and correct. Another aspect that I saw when I saw the video when I did the first styling of this tree is that I took a lot of deadwood of this part, and I think if I would do the tree again I would let a lot of those deadwood as a feature to give a bit more interesting to the tree. Although this is like a very like garden plant material that I bought. It's not really meant for bonsai, because this grows really fast, so the deadwood isn't hard enough. So it wouldn't have rotten anyway, only the thick part that stays on. I left this nice gin over here on the top, and now we can use that as a feature to cover the apex of the tree. So I just wired the first branch, you can see here, and now I'm ready to pull this in a more 45-degree angle directly from the branch, from the main trunk. so that we don't get this ugly bow this branch is doing. And I will pull also this branch back and forward to give some more movement and shorten a little bit the overall silhouette of the tree. So I just finished wiring the first few branches, and here we have this very long branch that I use in the first styling to fill up some space, but I don't think I will need this anymore, and it's also kind of a structural flaw. I'll take this branch here out so that we can create a little bit more space to see what's going on. I won't be needing all this length. I already have here a few branches that we can use, and I also wired the branch here on the back. And there are still some secondary branches that I can put some wire on to make two pads here on the back. And also the first branch is completely wired down, and as you can see we have kind of a separation with these two. And this way you create your pads on your branches and the separation. Are you still here? So this is the final result of this tree for now. The second styling, so the second time that I wired this tree. And from very simple material you can see that you can start making a very nice bonsai. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tree, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more to come. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.